Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to easily change your region in Chrome better. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome beta. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Chrome beta. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to more settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on other settings. Then you have to simply scroll down. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on language and region. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on current region. Then you have to simply scroll from the options right here. Choose your region. Once you choose your region, next thing you need to do is to hit on confirm right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your region in Chrome beta. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.